supposed to do when you're bored but it's summer? You should be having fun but you can't, that's a bummer. You should stay inside and go scroll on Tumblr. Just don't ask why, no jack, all lumber. When you wanna go party, what the fuck you gon' do? When you wanna go bike, what the fuck you gon' do? When you wanna climb a mountain, what the fuck should you do? When you wanna go explore, what the fuck should you do? Well, you can use an umbrella, but then you gotta always have a portable shelter. And then you might lose Wi-Fi, no cellular, and it's just inconvenient, so fuck this weather.